Having trouble sleeping? Afraid of drugs and find the soothing sounds of nature don't help?
Don't like drugs, and I hate the rain.
Introducing white noise. Studies show that the number one cause for a restless night's sleep is the inability to, quote, turn your brain off, which is why we at Rest in Peace have spent several days compiling hours of the most mind-numbing white noise imaginable, guaranteed to fry your brain into a deep, useless slumber.
I'm gonna need to speak to a manager.
Don't you tell me to calm down. Who are you to tell me to calm down?
Excuse me, sir. Yeah, what are you doing in this neighborhood? Oh, you live here? I ain't never seen you here before. What's your address? Sir, what's your address? Sir, don't walk away from me. What's your address? Sir.
True sleep artists, our team has assembled a veritable palette of white noise samples from which to create an aural landscape so excruciatingly stupid, the average brain will turn itself off in a matter of minutes, preferring a near comatose state to having to endure one more second of maniacal gibberish.
Hello, 911? There's a little black girl on my street trying to sell lemonade. Trying to sell a lemonade!
Act now and we'll throw in the white noise expansion pack. Red, white noise, and blue in the face.
You know, if you don't like it, you can leave.
This is my
Excuse me.
country.
What are you doing in this
Hey,
neighborhood?
Mr.
All
Anderson,
these people
no,
are
you
right
just
to protest
take
the
out
neighborhood.
the stand.
George Soros has a whole thing back. They're not out here to believe in something. They're out here to get
I heard Ace from Kenya.
I heard he's from Kenya.
It's the national
But her email. What about her email, right?
That's just a fat television network.
Build that
No, I
wall.
won't put
Build
that.
that wall.
You can't afford to.
Lock her up. Lock her up.
Let's
touch my checkbook.
I used to have a hard time turning my brain off after a long day at the office, but after like 5 minutes of white noise, it's like I don't even have a brain, just a head full of cold porridge. Thanks, white noise.
Call never. Operators are not standing by, and sorry not sorry, but there is no manager to speak to.
From the makers of Rude Neighbors and Fireworks for Dogs.
Get over it.
I ain't putting no shit in my